Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, as we do pull back here, leading into our 21-day moving average, will we possibly have a bounce here? That is the question for the bulls. And if you are a bear, what exactly will give us confirmation to continue on lower? I'm going to go over exactly what our bullish and bearish case scenario here would be. Again, we have been increasing in sell pressure. We have been mentioning we have been decreasing in buy pressure, possibly looking for our 12 to cross below our 26 as we were curling here. So again, now that we do sit on this pullback, I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, those major volatile movers you want to be watching, those specific levels that you want to be watching, again, multiple runners that we had in the last few weeks. We've been doing this for over 2 years, guys, every single day before market open. We mention any pre-market news, any major mover that you want to be watching for possible setups. Go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the spot with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we're looking for going into tomorrow. Again, as we have been sitting on this pullback, a lot of people have been wondering, will we have a possible bounce? Again, mentioning yesterday that we were looking for a possible pullback, continuation on lower, because I wanted to see that possible bounce on our 21-day. So again, now that we approach our 21-day, what I would be looking for here is to see if our 12 can cross back above our 26. That would be that possible bounce, and again, confirmation for that continuation on higher. If our 12 does not get back above our 26 here, then we will not have that bounce and that strong bounce that we're looking for. Again, sitting on this increase in sell pressure as we have been decreasing in buy pressure, making sure that we get that increase in buy pressure will be key here. Again, sitting on an inverted hammer, we want to see a possible doji candle. We want to see a possible engulfing candle to show us that we are getting strength here on our 21-day for that possible bounce. And again, that would be that possible short swing term momentum. But again, if we're looking for that longer swing term momentum, I would be looking at our weekly chart, looking at our strength here. Again, as we have been mentioning, we have been continuing with strength, but that we would possibly retest our 10 weekly moving average as we have had quite the run here after, again, testing our prior gap down that we were looking for quite a while for these possible gap ups from. And again, we got our gap up here now sitting on our pullback. We have to be cautious after our consolidation now dropping below our prior candles weekly close. We need to make sure we are cautious. We could possibly test our 10 weekly moving average again, looking for that possible test on our 21 daily moving average would be that possible test here on our 10 weekly moving average. So again, that's what we're looking for. Now looking at our weekly strength here, again, we have our 12 still above our 26. So again, that's why we would be looking for a possible bounce here on the daily chart. So again, looking for that possible consolidated bounce here and confirmation with that possible, again, doji candle going into tomorrow, possible engulfing candle following. Since we have Powell speaking on Wednesday, would be very bullish in my opinion for that possible continuation, because a lot of people would assume that we would continue on with bullish confirmation on possible datas to come, possible Fed speakers to come that we would get more momentum from. So again, that's what we're watching out for here. And don't forget, again, Powell did mention that we have possible rate hikes to come, more to come. However, if you guys did listen to his last speech, he did mention that, but what gave us a relief sell-off from that day specifically was that he mentioned we would have a moderate amount of increase in rates. So if he mentions that moderate word, that could be that possible, again, false break to the downside, that possible engulfing candle for that possible bounce play that we're looking for. And again, that ultimate swing, that ultimate strength that we would be looking for, of course, would be getting back above our 8-day moving average here, looking to see if we can get bullish candle structure above our prior height here. So again, that's what we're looking for. Looking at our Fibonacci lines here again, as we keep an eye on exactly our fib extension, our fib retracements, we have again exactly here at 0.618, our 431 level that we could possibly continue to bounce from here from. If, for example, going into tomorrow, we have a hammer candle coming out, and then we have a possible bounce continuation on higher here. That could be that possible respect on our 21-day moving average. So again, that's what we're looking for to see if we get that bullish candle structure going into Powell, to see exactly what Powell mentioned. And again, that moderate word specifically is very key in my opinion. Now again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, those major volatile movers that you want to be watching, major levels that you want to be watching, any market data that you want to be watching, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. taking with the market gives us the market pretty choppy today as we had a pullback, a continuation below our 8-day moving average here, and now looking to see if we will get a possible bounce here on our 21-day. In my opinion, again, a lot of that confirmation will come from our 12, crossing back above our 26 on our daily MACD. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.